Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to explain about timeline highlights. This is a new feature in Microsoft Power Apps. Using this feature, we can easily see the highlights of all the activities related to a table's record in the timeline. This will be done using generative AI technology. We'll explain everything in step by step. Let's get into the video. So open any browser. I have opened Microsoft Edge. Click on Profile, click on CRM 30 days trial. Once the profile has been opened, we'll open Power Apps Maker portal, make.powerapps.com. It's loading. So once this is loaded, we'll select the required environment. Click on the environment and we have different environments. I'm selecting the required environment, dev. Click on it. And click on apps and open any required model driven app. I have my own app. I am opening it. I'll click on the settings and click on edit in new tab. So the app is getting loaded now. Click on settings, click on features. If you scroll down there, you can see enable timeline highlights setting. This is by default set to yes, and you can also see the feature highlights. Actually, by enabling this feature, you can see timeline highlights powered by generative AI technology. So if you don't want this feature, just you can select to no and save the feature. And once this feature is set to no and we have to save, click on save and publish so that this setting will be saved and this timeline highlights will be disabled. Now I have left that as is and I'll just click on the play button. The app has been loaded now. So open any record of the account. I'll just click on my record. The record is getting loaded and you can see the timeline is also loading. Once the timeline is loaded, you can see that highlights feature, it will be enabled. So you can see that highlights. So you can expand that by clicking on it. You can see that it's getting summarized by looking at all the activities under it. You can see a request was made to a quote of 1000 TVs or something. So these all has come from all the records that we have. You can see that this email is for requesting order of 100 LED TVs worth of $20,000 or something. So you can see a phone call and also a task about it. So based on these tasks, that highlights has been summarized by generative AI technology. So what I'll do is I'll quickly add a new activity to see this feature. I'll select an email activity here. Click on email and I'll write an email and I'll just save that particular email and see what will happen for that particular highlights in the timeline. So this email is loading. So once this is loaded, I'll write a simple subject. Email to get the delivery date confirmation or email for the delivery date confirmation. Dear customer, request you to please confirm the delivery date and address to deliver 1000 TVs to your warehouse. Regards, Arun Putty. I'll just click on save and close. I'll go back to the account record and if you see the highlights, I'll just enable that now. You can see that email has been attached and I'll just click on this highlights now and to see the summary now. Expand it by clicking on it. You can see that an email was sent on 5th of March 2024 at 9 a.m. requesting confirmation of the delivery date and address for the delivery of 1000 TVs to the customer's warehouse. and a task was created on 26/4 something. Here you can see all the highlights here in 3 bulleted points that you can see based on the activities associated to this particular record. Also here we can see that a copy button. On click of that, we can copy that highlights into a clipboard. So now I'll paste the information copied here onto the notepad. So you can see that information has been pasted here and can be seen. And also there is another button called regenerate. After copy, you can see it. On click of this, it will regenerate the highlights based on the latest records and the latest information that are provided there. And you can see that thumbs up and thumbs down as well. On click of thumbs up, the feedback will be sent if everything is accurate. But if you see any discrepancy in the highlights, you can click on the thumbs down and you can provide the comments, and you can click on share comments to send the feedback to the Microsoft. That's all about this video. I hope you liked this new feature and started exploring this feature in your environment. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For interesting updates, click on the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.